so we discussed what is the asparagine. We can notice that the nickname is A is N, so it's like, glutamine. We took the first two letters, and this is AS, and then we took the N, like a glutamine, the same scenario. So it's asparagine, and the initial is N. It's like, I don't know, but maybe it's due to the pronunciations that say asparagine, and what is the most focus is in, so the initial name is in. I don't know what is the reason behind why it's the initial is in for the asparagine, but there is asparagine glutamine. They share the same thing, that they took the first two letters and took the in, and remember that both have amide group. So we have this carboxylic group, central carbon, amino group, and then the side chain. It's one carbon, it's not two carbons. If two carbons and then amide group, then it's known as glutamine. But if there is one carbon and then the amide group, then it's asparagine. And you know what is important about the amide group? It can form hydrogen bonds as well as the central carbon. So we can say the asparagine and the glutamine, both hydrophilic, both polar and non-charged. So it's polar, it's hydrophilic because it forms hydrogen bonds. Non-charged, there is no charge here. Healthy cells can make enough asparagine, but leukemic cells cannot form enough asparagines. So asparagine is associated with the acute leukemic, and especially the acute lymphocytic leukemia. This is the disease that is associated with the asparagine. So now we understand that healthy cells formed asparagine, enough asparagine, but the leukemic cells, they cannot form enough asparagines. And it has amide group, that's its amide group CO and NH2. This is which is known as the amide group, and this is amide group they both shared with the glutamine. And we now know the disease that is associated with the asparagine acute lymphocytic leukemia with the glutamine is non-Hodgkin disease. And so when we discuss the Hodgkin disease, remember about the glutamine. When we discussed about the acute lymphocytic leukemia, remember that you will talk about the asparagine, so we know something or the basics of the asparagine. Thank you for listening. I hope you understand. Bye.